Hi traders. So I am talking to you from a volcanic island in the middle of the ocean, and I am wild camping here for a while to reset my mind during these very crazy times in trading and just in general in the world, because if you can relax a little bit between two trades, it is the best way to keep your mind just clear. And so in today's video I will talk about what are the main things that you should follow when there is a recession coming, and what are the main things that you should care about when you are trading with EAs during a recession. Now, the first thing is that the most dangerous things during a recession, the first is Martingale, because the best way to lose money in the world is with Martingale during a recession, because most of the time, as I check the IG client index every day, people are on the opposite side of the realistic market situation. For example, people are on long trades on the EU-USD pair for months, for like half year, and in the last half year the EU-USD pair is going downside. And I know for a fact that most people are trading with Martingale, and most people are losing all their money with Martingale EAs, not just like 20% or even 40%, but more than 100% because of these Martingale situations. Because for the people who don't even know what it is, you are lucky. It is basically the most simple system that is proved to by a mathematician that it is inevitable to fail if you don't have unlimited money, and nobody does. So it is just inevitable that it will fail, that the Martingale system will fail. This is a gambling system from the 1800s. It is bullshit. And what it does is that it always double your lot size when you are taking a loss. And it is catastrophic in a recession, because for months or for years the economy is just going this way. And if you are taking like long trades along the way, and not just with one fixed lot size, but with double lot size every time, all your money will be gone. It is one thing to bet that the economy will be back and therefore you are taking long trades, but if you double your lot size every time, it just doesn't work. Maybe if you cut your lot size half, it would work much better, and you wouldn't lose all your money. So don't use Martingale in a recession, even if it seems like it is a good idea, because you will lose literally all your money with it. The second thing is, I know I said it a million times, but it is just so important. Use a fucking stop loss. If you don't use stop loss in a recession, you will lose your entire account or portfolio even in 2 days, or if you are losing high lot sizes or percentages, even sooner, in 2 hours, because the markets are crazy. And you are crazy if you don't use proper money management. So if you are trading with an EA, make sure it places stop loss and take profit. And if you are trading with an EA, at least you can't, or you shouldn't, move your stop loss. Please don't do that, because that way it's the same if you wouldn't have any stop loss. You will lose all your money. So believe in the system. Use lot sizes that are for your taste, and if you lose like even 10 trades in a row, you will be still good, because these times are tough, and the only thing that can make money is a good long-term EA that is holding trades for like from a few days to a couple of weeks, and uses stop loss, take profit. And also my third point is, in a recession, always use dynamic exit, and only use EAs that are using dynamic exit, because that is basically a system in place that closes trades not based on fixed, just based on fixed stop loss and take profit, but based on dynamic factors as well, so adapting to the market changes basically, and the volume and everything. So you always have stop loss and take profit that is fixed, but alongside with that you have like a full strategy with as many or more rules than your entry strategy that is solely for your exit. And it is the single most important factor, because if you don't have a good dynamic exit strategy, so an exit strategy basically with safety features and real strategies, then you will fail 100%, because in a recession, when you win, you have to win big, and you can only do it with a dynamic exit that knows that you can hold trades until they reach their potential, because you may have more losing trades than winning trades, but if you have like smaller losing trades and large, like huge winning trades, you are set and you will make money. And this is the key. Don't care about the win rate, because if you care about the win rate in a recession, you will just fail. You are a baby. You are not for the markets. Prepare that you will experience some things that are unreal, that seems unreal, and you won't understand why the markets are doing those things that you are experiencing, but accept them and try to adapt to the market changes, because the good traders adapt, the bad traders are just try to stick to their old methods and stuff, and they are losing money because they think that the markets will come back as they were before, but the markets will never be the same. So don't prepare for that. I already started to update all of my EAs. The Powerful Price Action EA is already updated. The Imperium Pattern EA is already updated, as I said in my last video, and I update all of my EAs to adopt them, and I will continue to work on them to these new markets, because as you already have seen, all the major countries indices are down very bad. All the major brands, or most of them, are down, and so you can't trade like in a bull market. We are preparing for the bear market, so be prepared and adapt to the market changes. And if you have any questions, you can write to my Telegram or to my email, and I will try to answer as many questions as I can. And have a nice trading day. Reset your mind a little bit, drink a lemonade, I don't know, do whatever makes your brain just prepared for the markets. Ciao.